I spent a lot of time at the TCL booth because I really like the BlackBerry Key 1. But when I saw the BlackBerry Motion, everything that I thought about that phone went out the window. It's a squared off design actually, and it doesn't have the keyboard, but it has an all touchscreen. And the specs on that phone are actually really good. I was pretty impressed. That 4,000 milliamp hour battery in there was really impressive. So that should be a battery king, or one of them. But my hands-on time with that phone was really nice. I didn't do a lot of footage on that, but I spent a lot of time talking to the TCL reps and getting some inside information on the device. And it is actually for sale right now. He told me it was going to be $429 on Amazon, but it's actually for sale now, I believe at the recording of this video, January 12th, for $449 on Amazon, which is still definitely pretty fair. But the performance of that phone, and it's basically this phone right here, it looks a lot better to me. You have to see it in person. It definitely looks a lot better, and the all touch screen is really nice. The fingerprint reader built into the home button is really nice. It's a very premium feeling device, just like this one. And I'm pretty excited about it. So that is the device I'm definitely looking forward to. I think TCL did a good job, and the texture on the back of the Motion is a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I was really surprised, and that's normally how it is. When you prejudge something, you think it's going to be really bad, and it turns out it is really, really nice. Beautiful, and I really plan on bringing in the BlackBerry Motion. I'll see you guys in the next video.